Let's recreate the photo right now. I'll be my. You go this way and then you go.
Oh, which way?
This way. Here, split, just split.
Oh, split.
You'll be behind me.
I'm just peeking through like a stalker.
Go. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video we're gonna be reacting another we're gonna be doing another Instagram grade video. You know the drill.
Yeah.
We're doing Instagram grade video. Watch.
Copy paste 20 times.
So today we're gonna be rating. So today we're gonna be rating.
Fucking bitch. Go away.
Today we're gonna be rating. What's his name?
Rating.
What's her name?
Edward.
Oh yes! We're gonna be rating Edward Barber's Instagram because you guys sent a lot of requests for that, and there's a lot of Mayward fans here.
Wow. Oh yeah. Okay, so
we're doing him.
Let's do him.
Let's do him. We're gonna do him.
Alright, but before we begin, guys, we really want to thank you so much for all the support. In the past 3 days, we've been growing so much with you. We love to see all your comments. I know it's hard for us to reply to all of you, but we really try our best.
Thank you guys for watching as always, and continue supporting this channel. Just click the subscribe button and also click the bell notification ring button so that you'll be notified for the next upload. Hit that subscribe button. You need to like smash it.
Yeah,
give it a smash.
Smash it.
Smash that subscribe button.
What time is it?
It's time to. The library is open.
Damn, those are dusty.
He's the only one wearing glasses today because I'm wearing my contacts and I won't be able to see.
So he improved. He switched to contacts today.
So by the way, guys, we just filmed. This video is gonna be uploaded before that video. So we just filmed the Mayward, and Edward's photo shoot at Germany for Mega Magazine.
That was something special.
It was fun, so check that out. Stay tuned for the video. We'll notify you when it's gonna be uploaded. Without further ado,
let's all admire Yani's beautiful Instagram.
This is
scrolly.
My Instagram. I post a lot of pictures of me and Fabio, but he never does on his Instagram. Go on Fabio's Instagram. If you can find a picture of me there, you'll find get 1 million.
Only with one other person.
Anyway, let's look him up. What's his name? Edward Barber. Let's see if he will show up first.
Edward.
There we go. Edward_Barber. So that's gonna be him, not to be confused with Alyssa Edwards.
Which is also there somewhere.
If Maymay has 2 million.
Yeah, let's bet.
Yeah, if Maymay has 2 million, I think I'm gonna give him 1 million.
1 million? No, I'll surprise you. I'll give you 2.5 million.
Okay.
Oh!
I won! Fabio has mentioned before that he is the Justin Bieber of the Philippines.
He's beautiful. I really like his face.
Yeah.
So cute.
11 of my friends follow him. Just a normal dude with an IG account. Let God lead the way. So Maymay and Edward are very religious. They're very close to God.
I love this caption. Very easy, normal,
just a normal
natural,
dude,
very very.
Just a normal dude who is famous in the Philippines. Yeah, who only has 1.3 million.
Exactly, but he's not saying, "Oh, I did this and that. Yeah, this is who I am, actor, writer." Yeah, like I do. I love his profile picture.
So cute.
Yeah, he looks great.
Is it one of the photo shoots? Okay, first look of the Instagram. There's a lot of relatable selfies and non-professionally taken photos. Are we gonna see a shirtless picture of him?
Oh,
no.
I hope so. No?
I don't think so.
Oh. Then let's close this video here. Thank you so much for watching.
Based on their vibes, I don't think that he's gonna have a... He has a professional picture right here.
He has beautiful skin.
His eyes are a little bit bubbly. It's big.
Yeah, they're big.
Right?
Oh, I like it.
It's cute. I love the hair.
Look at the hair. A bit messy, but with the natural look.
It's just like I woke up like this.
Yeah, I woke up and I'm gorgeous.
Straight from the bed to the pillow.
I'm glowy.
Yeah.
I'm well rested.
Oh,
what happened here?
My dream come true. Oh, it's May's tour in Cebu.
Oh.
Dream come true tour.
I am loving this picture. Can you click on it?
Is that May? No.
No,
I think that's
not.
Is that his sister? No, that's my. No.
Oh, it's my. Oh wow,
Wait, what?
she can transform her face.
No, it's not. Maybe
I
a different
love it.
my.
But look also him. I hope our weirdness make you smile. Hope
Cute.
everyone is having a good day. Wow, that's
They're
cute.
just. There's another goofy photo. So there's a lot of goofy photo of them.
I like
That
this. I
They're
like
not.
this.
They're not dating. Okay, just so you know.
Yeah,
Apparently
I
they're
know,
not
I
dating.
know.
Everyone on Twitter is like, Yani, they're not dating. But
They should, but
there's a lot of. What is this video? Oh, it's my
Let's see.
If this is a boomerang.
Hey, Mai. Want to see something cool?
Poster advertising.
oh,
Yun lang. For you.
oh,
Level up your chocolate with ice cream.
Wow.
Fudgy cornetto disc. Nutty chocolate. White
like-
chocolate cookies and cream. And matcha cookie.
cornetto. I've never heard of this type of
All new
cornetto.
cornetto disc. Only 25 pesos.
Hey,
I
Mai.
want that. No, I loved it because it was very bubbly and very fast compared to the traditional commercials that we're used to watch, like
Yeah.
the Jollibee commercial,
Yeah,
long
yeah.
movies.
Oh, but those are these are for TV commercials. Those Jollibee are for internet commercials.
Oh, internet.
They did
I
that for
didn't know.
YouTube. Yeah. No wonder Mai has a lot of pictures of ice cream in her Instagram.
That is why.
That's why. I thought she loves ice cream.
Cornetto is so good.
Cornetto. Wow, Mai.
And there she poses.
I wanna borrow your hair. She always poses. She always serving you fierce face.
Oh, that's a cute picture of them.
We should recreate that photo.
Yeah, maybe
So,
we
yeah.
should recreate this one.
Is that stapler she's holding? What is that? It looks like a stapler.
It looks like it.
But that's a cute outfit. It's like a businesswoman. Scrolling. Okay, there's another photo shoot of them. Oh, we saw some of these photos
Oh, yeah,
on her Instagram. Yeah. I love the editing style, actually.
It's such a nice job too.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's a cute photo.
Oh, look
Oh,
how
this is
cute.
the
Yeah.
ABS-CBN ball.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful,
She's a
Katniss Everdeen. Wow, look at that. She's serving face.
Don't smile, girl. Don't smile.
Let's turn off the music. Sorry, copyright.
Oh, true.
Harry Potter. I love it that it's not a typical tuxedo. Like it's not. Look
Yeah.
at the gown.
Yeah.
Oh, Fabio,
Oh,
why don't you give
roses.
me photos like picture? I mean,
No, but I buy you
Roses like
broccoli every weekend.
I guess. Why choose the normal when you can choose the strange? No one normal ever did anything extraordinary. Find the white rose amongst the red and let your life receive color. Oh, so there's white rose.
There is one right there.
Oh, right in the middle. Oh, that's a sweet.
It's a bit
message.
hidden.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna give you broccoli and cauliflower.
Cauliflower,
Yeah. So find the white flower. It is cauliflower. It is cauliflower. They're so goofy.
They are very goofy.
I feel like my drives the goofiness though. 'Cause
Yeah.
She's so bubbly.
And I think he's more of the serious type, like
A
kind of
chill
like
dude.
this. A chill.
Just
very
like
chill.
just a
Yeah.
normal guy with an
Yeah.
Instagram. Hey, are you riding? I'll
Oh.
never ever leave right beside me. Do people know them?
Oh, this is so cute.
Cute. Where are they? Oh, they're in Singapore. No wonder nobody knows them.
How long is this escalator?
Okay, my is.
Oh, she's knitting.
Is she actually knitting? That's a big.
And
What
it's
is
a
that?
huge knitting.
Mayward live in Dubai. I'm gonna go to Dubai. Comment below if you have a Dubai viewer.
Yes,
Such a
huge.
baby face.
Yeah, baby face, huge eyes.
Huge pupils, right?
Yeah.
Is he wearing contacts? I think he's wearing contacts. Those are contacts.
I don't
Those
think
are.
so.
Look at it's blue around the edges. Oh, by the way, I just want to make a announcement that we do not know these people. That's why we're checking out their Instagram. So people be commenting like, you guys should know them. Do a research before doing some comments.
No.
Like, so what's the point of making a reaction video if we already know about them? So like this
Yeah.
is the thing. Like we don't know them, so we're getting to know them through their Instagram, and we know nothing about them. Okay, so we have said anything that is wrong, then correct us downstairs.
Yeah, come downstairs
Correct
and
us
tell
down in
us
the
in
comments.
person.
Yes. Carry on. Nice outfit.
Oh, look at his hair. Be wild.
What is the towel
It's the
wrapped around
collar.
it?
The collar. Oh wow, that's
Am I graduated? Even though it's Laura who graduated. Who's Laura? I'm still proud of you. Keep your heads up. Keep smiling always. Did she graduate or is it Laura? Are they in London? Is this London? Yeah, Big
Wow.
Ben. Yup. Wow, look how many people.
Oh my.
Asian Honolulu.
That's
Asapin.
amazing.
Asapin Honolulu.
ASAP in Honolulu.
Oh, ASAP in... Oh.
I even know more. I even
He
know
knows
more.
ASAP. Okay.
Oh.
They're so cute.
They're so friends. I think they're best friends.
I think they're soulmates for real. People say they're soulmates.
No, they're
That's
best
cute.
friends. Wow.
Is Edward pure Filipino or Barber? Barber is not a Filipino last name. Oh, look at my.
Oh, in this no, she's probably frozen.
Making an angel. Where is
Oh.
this? Oh, it's my. Oh
Broken
my god! Broken arms!
Snow angel. Broken arms.
Oh my god!
Go, 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 go.
She's so
Snow
hyperextended.
angel. Broken arms.
Oh my god!
Ah! She did gymnastic for sure.
I can watch that forever.
Oh,
That's
broken
so
arm.
funny. Wow, look at the high fashion pictures.
Oh,
Look at the high fashion
this is
pictures.
what we should recreate.
It's
Yeah.
Dior. Yeah, the blue, the type of blue is really complementing her skin tone.
And my Instagram and my personal YouTube channel
Yes.
because it's great. I do a lot of yoga there. So if you're into it, come check it out.
Everything is linked down below. All the products as well that we use for filming, all the camera, it's linked down below for Amazon. So check it out and thank you guys for watching and we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Ciao.